What's up guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, and for those of you who are new here, I'm Akila, and in today's video I'm going to be showing you how I achieved this curly, wavy, beachy, undone hairstyle I've got going on over here using my GlamPalm flat iron. So in this tutorial I'm going to be showing you two ways you can create a curl using your flat iron. The one way is a little bit easier and the other way is a little bit harder. So I'm going to be showing you on the lower sections of my hair how to do both versions of the curl, and on the upper sections of my hair I'm going to be showing you my preferred curl of the two, which is slightly harder, but I think the result is a lot better. So with that being said, let's get into it. So to start things off, I'm going in with my Tresemme Heat Defense styling spray, and I'm just going to spray that evenly all over my hair. Next, I'm going to section off my hair to make the curling process isolated and a lot more manageable. Then I split that section further into two and spray it with the Toni & Guy Untitled Texture Creation Spray, which is a really amazing product to use both before and after styling your curls. Then I'm going in with my GlamPalm straightener, which is the perfect straightener for curling because its cord was designed to rotate. So I'm taking its temperature all the way up to 200 degrees for powerful styling. It also comes with this vibration button, which you can use to massage heat into your hair for a more powerful hold. Now the first and easier way that you can curl your hair is to take a small section like this, clamp it between the plates, rotate it outwards once, and then pull down. It really helps to hold your iron roughly between a 45 and 90 degree angle to give the curl a really good shape. Then when you're done, just let that curl drop and cool off. So the second way you can curl your hair is to clamp the section of hair between the plates, rotate it, and then continue rotating it until you reach the end. This can require a bit of practice and concentration so that you don't burn your fingers. At the end of the section, hold the straightener in place to really lock that curl in at the end. So here's a quick recap of the first method. Clamp, rotate once, pull, and hold at the end. A recap of the second method: clamp, rotate a whole lot more, and hold at the end. Then of course I go back in with the same Toni & Guy Tussle Texture Creation Spray to set the curl, and I scrunch those curls up to work the product into the style. Now remember, we've curled outward on one side, so now we need to curl outward in the opposite direction on the opposite side. Now we're going to let down other sections of the hair to curl. So I like to use this GlamPalm crocodile clip just to keep the curled hair to one side so we don't get the hair all mixed up. For the rest of this look, I'm going to be using curling method number 2. We're also going to repeat the process of spraying before each curl, holding the curl in at the end, letting the curls cool off, spraying again, and then bunching up the completed section. Then finally, when we get to those top, front and center sections of the hair, they're really the pieces that you want to give the most TLC and effort because they are the pieces that frame your face. Now after all of this, you're going to look like Shirley Temple on prom night in 1995. So you're going to want to run your hands through your curls and separate them and let them settle and soften beautifully. So this right here is the final look, guys. What I did was I allowed those curls to really cool off. I allowed them to drop and I just continuously separated them like this with my fingers. And in the end, I got this beachy, wavy look that I've got going on over here. So in that half an hour, maybe where you allow your hair to just cool off and drop and separate, it's a great time to actually do your makeup, or maybe catch a snack before you go out. So that is it from me for today, guys. I hope you enjoyed this video and I hope that you learned something. As always, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Leave me some love in the comment section below because I always love to hear from you. And if there's anything you want to see next time in another video, hit me up too, because a girl needs ideas and she wants to hear from you because we're all friends and that's what we do around here. Thank you so much for watching and I will see you all next time.